Want to practice English but have no one to practice with? Don't worry. In this video, I'm gonna share few tips and tricks to help you practice English without any partner, alone at home. So hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Janvi, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how to learn English alone at home without any partner. So let's get started. I know how it feels, you learn grammar, you learn words, you learn sentences, but when it comes to practice, you don't have anyone to practice with. You feel stuck, and I remember I used to feel the same. I used to learn new sentences, I used to watch movies and learn new sentences from those movies, and when it comes to practice, I didn't have anyone, and I used to feel stuck, and I used to feel gloomy that I wish I have someone to practice with, because I live in a village, and in my village no one speaks in English. Okay, so I know how it feels to wanting to talk to somebody but not having someone to speak to you, because we are learning English to have a conversation with someone, but that's the main reason, right? But we don't have anyone, and that's a kind of thing I know that you are facing too. But here's the truth. You don't need anyone to practice with. You can learn English alone at home. Okay? I remember when I started learning English, I had no one to speak with, as you know. So what I used to do is I used to download a app called Talk or something. I don't really remember correctly, but yeah, I used to download that app, and this app had 24 hours free trial. So I used to download this app, and I used to call somebody. I used to do the lessons, and then after I used the 24 hours, I used to uninstall this app and I used to install it again, because I didn't have money to pay for it. And when I talked first to someone in English, and I was over the moon that day. I told my sister and my mother that I can now have a conversation with someone in English, and I was so happy and euphoric. I can't even express this feeling. And yeah, and if you are broke like me, then I will give you some tips in this video. But the people who have money and who are not broke, they are the luckiest in this process, because they can pay for any app, and they can talk to people, they can do classes and all. But what about the people like me who are broke, and the people who don't have any resources to practice English with? Then don't worry, my friend. You just need a smartphone and nothing at all. You can learn English without even spending a single penny, just the way I did. Yeah, you just need a smartphone and you are good to go. And if you put your hard work to it and your smart work together, then I promise you, you will become fluent in English within 6 months. Yeah, I'm not lying. And some people may say it's impossible to learn English within 6 months. It's been years I am learning English, but I'm not yet fluent. Then my friend, let me tell you, if you put your hard work to it, then in a right way, in a right time, then you will become fluent within 6 months, because I am the life example of this. I learned English within 6 months, and there are many YouTubers who I know, they also learn English in less than 6 months. So it is not impossible at all. And within this 6 months, in this period, sometimes you will feel like giving up. You will feel like, I don't want to watch English movies. This is not my culture, not my type of movies, because it is not your native language. The comfortable we feel in our native language, we won't feel this comfort in another language. I know that. But you won't feel that comfortable in another language. I know that. And you will start watching your native movies, the movies in your native language, the song in your native language, the songs that you like. And after you watch those movies, you will feel like, oh shit, I should have watched English movies. I wasted my time watching watching movies in my mother language. And I promise you, you will feel that, because I feel that too. At the time when I was learning English, there was a time when I gave up practicing and I started watching Hindi movies and I started listening to Hindi songs, and after I just listened to them, I used to feel like, oh, what I have done, I shouldn't do this, I am putting all my egg into one basket. I should work on my passion, I should work on the things that I want in my life. And then I started practicing again, and I didn't just practice, I started my YouTube channel. Yeah, you heard me right. After a break, I came up with a better idea, and this shows you that everything happens for a reason, a good reason. And when I gave up on my practicing, I felt guilty, and then I came up with a better idea of starting my own YouTube channel and practicing online. So yeah, even if you feel stuck, even if you feel like giving up and you don't feel comfortable and confident learning this language, and you feel like I can't learn this language, then don't worry. This is the journey every English learner go through, and you will go through this journey too. But this is not the time to give up. This is your time to put your best effort to learn this language, and if you don't give up, you will become fluent in this language in no time, and I can guarantee you that. Believe in yourself, and even if you don't feel confident, just believe. Say to yourself that I can do it. If other people can do it, then why can't I? Ask this question to yourself, and your mind will start thinking that I can also do this. This is not impossible. Nothing is impossible in this world. Just start learning new words, learn new sentences, watch movies, listen to songs, record yourself, make video of yourself introducing yourself in English, talk about your dream, and if you follow these tips and tricks, you will become fluent in English in no time. And you just have to believe in it. You just have to believe in yourself that you can do it. Okay, I got you, and I will help you in this journey. I will provide you information. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will catch you guys in my next video. So till then, keep learning, believe in yourself, and you are good to go. Bye.